Hi. So I got one comment to write an SQL query whose of employees whose experience is more than that of manager. Okay. So this is what I'm going to explain in my video now. So let us move to the video part. So here to write a SQL query in SQL to list employees whose experience is more than that of their manager. You would typically need a table structure that includes information about employees, their managers, and their respective experience levels. Okay, so ideally you have to create one table like this. So assuming you have a table named employees with column names like employee ID, employee name, manager ID, and experience. You can use self join to compare the experience of employees with their managers. Here, how you can write an SQL query. You can see here, select e.employee ID, comma, e.employee underscore name, comma, e.experience from employees E table. Join employees M on e.manager ID equals to m.employee ID. Where clause we must use here, where e.experience is greater than m.experience, semicolon. So this is what the query you have to uh, be analyze this. Okay, so think logically here. In this query, E is an alias for employees table representing the employees. M is an alias for employees table representing the managers. The join clause used to join employees table E with itself M based on the manager ID of employees and the employee ID of managers. The where clause filters the rows where the experience of an employee, that is E dot experience, is greater than that of experience of their managers, that is M dot experience. So this is a short video. One of subscriber, or I don't know, audience commented me to make video on this before 1 week. That I was busy, so I didn't make. Now I'm making this. So thanks for watching. If you watch this and like my channel, share my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.